Well, hi there, art explorers. On today's quick draw lesson, we're going to learn how to draw a banner. A banner is something you could add to any sort of art to give it a little extra fanciness. I'm starting my banner with two curved parallel lines, two lines that are on top of each other that never intersect. Then I'm going to connect those lines with two vertical lines on either side. Then on the bottom, two more vertical lines coming in just a little bit on either side. This is going to help our banner look three-dimensional. Then I'm going to add more lines attached to those vertical lines. This is a continuation of that top ribbon of the banner, so you want those lines to be a similar thickness. Then you can see I added a backwards letter V. The last part of my banner drawing is to make diagonal lines from the top banner to the bottom. Then you can see I am shading the banner that goes behind to make it look more realistic, but that's completely optional. Also, you might not want V's as part of your banner. You might decide you could just have a straight line. Since you're the artist, you can decide how you would like to fill your banner. On tomorrow's quick draw, I'm going to show you how to add lettering and how to make that lettering look like bubble letters. See you then. Bye.